Hello, I'm here to introduce Makan Kongsi 2.0 to you. Makan Kongsi 2.0 is a collaboration between The Good Kitchen and Engage. Its sole purpose is to feed the needy and the hungry on the ground during this pandemic crisis. Makan Kongsi 2.0 started in June when things were getting very, very bad. Worse, where we are hearing about the suicides and the white flag. That this is the response that we have. Now, what does Makan Kongsi do? How does Makan Kongsi do this? Through your support and contribution, every single ringgit that you give us gets channeled directly to feed all these people on the ground. Our initiative is nationwide, Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak. Wherever we are able to, we will answer to the response of the hungry. Wherever a case is highlighted to us, we will do our very best with your support to answer this call and feed that stuff. We have worked through 140 over partners on the ground, and that's why we have a nationwide reach. And so far, to date, we have helped feed more than 70,000 individuals and families so that they can go through the night with a filled belly. Makan Kongsi 2.0 is only here as a response of the pandemic because of the loss of jobs that people are facing right now on the ground. Because businesses are suffering as a result of that. People's livelihoods are under severe threat. So how do we help each other as Malaysians? Whether you share the word of Makan Kongsi 2.0 to others so that they can also help contribute, or if you would like to contribute yourself, we are most grateful because the hungry stomachs on the ground should not remain hungry for long. And so here, I'd like to thank you for helping us achieve the target of 2 million to help the needy and the hungry. And we hope that this program will only reach up to October, because beyond October, there is no necessity for us to feed the hungry on the ground because they can already feed themselves. That is our hope. Until then, you will be our hope to help feed the poor on the ground, to help those who are in desperate situation to feel less desperate. We thank you for your support, and we wish that you stay safe and healthy.